Hey guys, let's talk about Ansible in this video. Ansible is an IT automation, configuration management and provisioning tool. It helps you describe an IT application infrastructure in something called playbooks. It provides you with a simple automation language to write the playbooks, and it also provides you with an underlying automation engine to run those playbooks. Some of the features of Ansible are, it is agentless, so you do not need to install an agent on the server and you do not need to also manage an agent. It uses SSH to establish secure connection. It follows push-based architecture. It is built on top of Python, so it has a lot of functionalities of Python inbuilt. Now let's have a look at a basic architecture of Ansible. Now we have a master server which stores all your configuration install information and can also run Ansible playbooks. On this master server we have an inventory file, and this file contains a list of all the servers against which you want to perform some tasks. For example, patch updates. Now these tasks are grouped together in what is called a play. So a play is nothing but related tasks that you need to perform on a server. This play is stored on what is called a playbook. So again, a playbook has a play, and a play is separated into multiple tasks. For example, you might want to perform a patch update on your servers and then reboot your servers. These are two different tasks. So task 1 in your play will update the server and task 2 in your play will reboot the server. These two tasks together will be called a play, and the play will be stored in a playbook. Now lastly, we have the servers where you want to run these plays against. Ansible master server will SSH into these servers and then execute the task. These playbooks are written in YAML, which is an acronym for YAML Int Markup Language. We'll talk about YAML in an upcoming lecture. With this, we've come to the end of this lecture. I will see you in the next one. Bye.